Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to assign custom permission in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Assigning custom permissions in Salesforce is a straightforward process that will allow you to control access to specific functionality in your apps or features. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the cog icon setup, settings, and here on the quick find on the top left corner, I want you to type in custom permissions under the custom codes. Now, all we have to do, if you haven't already, there's going to be an option that says create new view. I want you to click on it. All right. Now, for the new custom permissions, I want you to put in the view name. For example, this is going to be deep laughs. And you have all this specific filter criteria. Is it going to be filtered by owner, all custom permissions, or my custom permissions? But for now, we're going to put in the all custom permissions. All right. And after doing so, all you have to do is put in the necessary fields. For example, is it going to be name, deleted, master language, and a lot more. All right. You also have the option to select the fields to display. You also have an option to have the restrict visibility. Is it going to be visible only to you or to all users? Once you are happy with that, all you have to do is click on the save option here. So now you have created this custom permissions. Now, for us to be able to assign it into someone or assign the custom permission in Salesforce, again, on the search bar or quick find here, I want you to type in permission set. Okay, that's going to be permission sets. For example, this is going to be the one that we are looking for, the cone builder user. Okay, here for us to be able to assign it, all I have to do, now we're going to choose another one, maybe this one. Okay, I'm using this one, the Sales Cloud user. Now, for you to be able to add a custom permission here, all I have to do, you see this manage assignments. All right. All I have to do is click on the add assignment and select the users to assign. All right. And that's going to be the deep laughs. Click on next. You have the multiple options too for the expiration date, specify the expiration date. And of course, all I have to do is once you have set the expiration date, for example, you're going to be choosing 1 day, 1 week, 30 days, 60, or a custom date. You can even choose the time zone. Doing so will enable you to access to specific parts of an app without hard coding into an Apex classes or triggers. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.